Hi, my name is Jason Crean. This is Kathy Van Hoek, and this is Michelle Kaler. We're from the Chicago area, and we are presenting phenomenon-driven storylines. We're part of a working group that has developed a full curricular course replacement for a general biology course that's all storylines that are phenomenon-driven and three-dimensional. We have an Africa storyline that incorporates many of the HHMI activities. We also have a homeostasis storyline where one of the HHMI activities actually is the anchoring event that leads the entire storyline. We have the melanin storyline that uses a lot of the skin color and rock pocket mouse activities. We have a disease storyline that highlights some of the cancer activities and cell cycle activities. And we also have a dog storyline that looks at dog genetics and artificial selection. All of the storylines are NGSS aligned. We highlight the driving questions for each segment of the storyline, as well as the disciplinary core idea. And the assessments that are attached to these are also three-dimensional, so they're assessing not only this DCI, but also the cross-cutting concepts and science practices.